Hello, today you're looking at an Aldonex 400 amp 0 to 18 volt air-cooled rectifier brought to you by Lanco. Take a look at the nameplate here. This unit is wired for 480 volt 3-phase. Does have a remote control with ramp controls. We'll turn it on in a little bit here so you can see and hear it go. This Aldonex is a filtered unit with an overall dimension of 24 inches long by 32 inches wide by 45 inches high. Input amps are 14 on this unit. Very nice, clean unit, very good working condition. We'll come back around to the remote and turn it on for you so you can see and hear it go. I'll hit the start button, it'll ramp up slow. And come over here, take a look at the O-scope wave. Very slight, as it is a filtered unit. If you're interested, please contact Lanco at 888-248-8500. or visit us online at www.lanco-corp.com. Have a great day.